Alright guys, so what I have here is a 2001 Honda Accord. It is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder and it is a 5-speed manual. I just changed the oil in it and filter, cleaned the air filter, went all over it, checked all the fluids, checked all the brake pads. All the brake pads look to be new. The tires are in really good condition. The main damage on this was in the back. I found another bumper, I needed a tail light, and the front bumper we had to repaint because the paint was flaking off of it. So we redid the front bumper with some Plasti Dip over the grill areas just to set it off, make it look a little bit better than just being all gold. The back, we had to push the trunk out just a little bit under the tail light because it was smashed in. We got it popped out, got everything lined up, got the new tail light in, got a new bumper and painted it, and everything looks good.